Okay, just another day here at Green Hills Shopsville. I'm here right now sa Prism. It's a VIP store here sa Shopsville. Nang una nilang store na nandun. Okay? There. Okay, so, ito na yung bago. Prism, so check it out. Kuya! Okay. Ito yung bago nating shop, di ba?
Yes, bago lang. 1 week old pa lang.
1 week old? Buti naman nakadaan ako agad. Prism, right?
Yes, Prism.
Prism. So, ano bang pagkakaiba nito doon sa isang shop natin? Yung shop natin doon is, anong name?
That's the Prism store and this is the VIP lang.
So Prism rin pareho. Ito lang VIP lang.
Yes, sir. Most of the items here are the high-end luxury
Mga high-end.
items.
Pang mga pandiinan na, pang mayayaman.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kasama ko ngayon, syempre, yung bisita ko from Canada. JTF Forces, Special Forces ng Canada, si Daddy June.
Special ma'am.
Oo. Saka syempre, si Kuya Jojic, siya si Ate Malu. Ayan. Hi kay Darren mo.
Hello, Darwin.
Ayan.
Owen.
Okay. So, dinala ko lang si Papa Jun dito, Kuya. What's your name?
Christian, sir.
Christian Maverick. And siyempre,
And
Kuya
Pao.
Pao. Oo. So, kaya ko lang sila dinala rito kasi introduce ko lang sila sa mga hype na sapatos. So, si Daddy Jun, mga ano tayo, Mr. Colorful eh. Lagi mga ganyan gusto niya ano eh. Mga shoes, mga makulay. Ito, Jun, bagay na bagay ito kay Kuya Jojic. Kuya Jojic, pag minake-over kita, ito yung sasapatos natin sa'yo, di ba? Kuya, magkano ito right now? Itong Granny Goose natin.
Currently, it's available for 70,000.
70. Only? Parang ano lang, parang pamalengke mo lang every week. Pamalengke mo lang. Ha? Hindi, ito yung latest. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda ng ano, Golden Goose. Tawag ko kasi Granny Goose, eh. It lays a golden egg. Ito, kaya mo ba i-drip to, Papa June? Kaya mo ba? Kaya? Kaya? Talaga. Okay. So, ito yung ano nila. Medyo one-off yata to, Kuya, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh, meron pa tayo dito marami. This one's nice also. Ito, galing. Diba? Another Golden Goose. The same brand lang. Basta may mga star na ganyan.
Yes, with smudges.
Mga smudges. Talagang may dumi sila talaga. Pero ito, Hermes, bagay sa ito, Ate Man.
Oo nga eh.
Pang ano mo lang, pang shopping mo, di ba?
Pamalengke.
Pamalengke. Ayan, di ba? So, ano pa ba mga stuff na meron tayo? May mga lobe pala dito. Lobe. Tapos, ano to? Ano to? Kit? Kit to.
Yes.
Kit, di ba? Ganda, paisley pa, oh. Galing. Magandang hoodie. How much mo?
How much yung paisley natin?
Mga paisley na hoodie. Na kit.
That's
Oh.
25,000.
Manipis. Kaya. Ayan, dami na lang ba. These are all brand new, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, brand new. So, ayan.
Never been used.
Check it out. Oh, meron pala sila. At least may mga New Balance pa rin dito, pero kit. Collab. Okay. Ayan. Ganda na itong Balenciaga Adidas, oh.
Yes.
The fuck? Ito yung maganda, Kuya. How much? Basically.
It's only available for 30,000.
Only manipis. So, Papa Jun, oh. Mahilig ka sa Adidas, di ba? Dapat Balenciaga. The fuck? Oh, so, ayan. So again, ano bang website natin? Meron ba tayong website,
Social
Facebook
media
page?
po,
Yeah.
Instagram is Prism PH.
Prism PH, Instagram, Facebook, meron din ba?
Same din po.
Okay. So thank you, brother, ha? Check it out, Prism here sa Shopsville. Okay, so only ito. Okay, dito. Mainit. Tiyaga. Only.
Gusto mo mag-train?
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Baby down, baby down, baby down, baby down. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Baby down, baby down, baby down, baby down. Drop it like it's hot.
Okay, so we're here right now with syempre Daddy June in the house with this very famous colorful outfit, Mr. Colorful. Saan tayo ngayon, June? Where are we? We don't know.
Bag heaven.
Oh, Bag Heaven. Okay, so we are at E-Prime Canon E-Prime Bags here sa Green Hills because I'm just here to consign my Gucci hats. Okay, mga collection ko ng mga collab. Okay, so this is their shop here at Green Hills. Dinala ko lang si Daddy June para medyo maka-experience siya ng mga pang-diinan na mga pormahan ng mga chika. So ano, June? Yung chikas ba na makikilala natin, dadalhin natin dito at bibilan mo ng bag?
Maybe a few.
A few.
Maybe a few.
So, most bags here are like pre-love. They're like brand new also. So, they have a lot. Diba, Daddy Joe? What can you say about it?
That's definitely.
Actually, Canon E-Prime bags yata ito, luxury bags. So, right now, they're there. They're doing their live selling right now. So, dun sa mga may hilig sa bags, alam nila to. Okay, actually, pamangking ko yung mga yan. Pamangking ko si Marga, si Bettina, at saka si Gia. Okay, so, this is their shop here sa Green Hills. Ayan, ay ate, kuya. Kuya. Okay, so, ayan, mayroon din mga shades there. So, there's a lot of bags here. Hindi mga Dior, oh. There. Now, so, ayan. So, kung may hinahanap kayo, just come here. Okay. Sa showroom store nila. Lahat yan, pati mga shoes meron din. Okay. So, there. So, see? Live yan, ah. They're doing live. Right now.
Yeah, maganda pa ito, Miss Gabby.
Diba?
Yours, Miss Gabby, for 35. Please
Okay,
take
so, here, oh, may mga Chanel. Okay, ito. For example, this pink bag na maliit. It's 49 grand.
second mine.
49K, may mga bag na Chanel na ganyan. Okay, so ang dami rito, puro Chanel, oh, what the fuck? Dami. Diba? Balita, Daddy June. Ano, may napusuan ka na ba na ibibigay natin kay ano?
I'm looking at these prices right now, so maybe you'll think about it.
Oo, diba? Sisiw sa'yo yan, June. Sisiw sa'yo yan. Sa'yo pa. Canadian dollar ang dala mo, times 40 bucks. Yun, ang ganda na itong YSL na to. This is what Ate Malu likes. Remember?
That's the one.
When she was letting us see, yung nga, yung sa live, di ba?
That's the one.
This is the one. YSL, ang ganda. Ang laki.
That's nice.
That's nice. How about the Chanel's, man?
The Chanel looks really good. It's authentic.
Kay Madam, pwede ba to? Okay. Don't say bad words, di ba, Maverick? Don't say bad words. Ang dami Chanel, oh.
Your madam can afford that.
Yeah, may Madam
Your
can
madam
afford
can
it.
afford that.
Eh, dadalhin ko siya dito pag bumalik siya ng Pilipinas. So, there. Look at that. Ang ganda. Ito, for example, this one. Jun, magkano to? Tama ba? 370,000?
Yeah, 370.
What the fuck? Kotse na to. Second hand kotse na to. O buhay mo na yata yan.
Yep.
At syempre, yung pinaka-pogi dito, wala kang ba kundi si Pot. Ay, Pot yan. Si Pot. Pogi ni Pot.
Sir, baka gusto
Hello?
mo daw mag-hi sa live.
Ah, yeah, pwede ba? Oh, sige. So, I'm doing vlog here right now. Hello. Hi, Bettina. Hi. Yan. Oh, yeah.
With your love, with your love, with your love, oh baby, with your love, with your love, with your love, with your love, oh baby, with your love. I don't give a fuck if you don't believe me. I don't give a fuck.
Okay, so I just finished, helping out and just said hi this live sale nila. And I was able to sell 3 during the time I was with them. Able to sell, ano ba to? Number 1, yung Gucci bag, a Louis Vuitton, and an Hermes. Diba? For not even 20 minutes doing live. So, I hope guys check out this shop here sa Green Hills. Well, you can just check them out sa kanilang live selling every week. Ate, anong oras yung live selling natin during every time?
4 or 5 p.m.
5 p.m. every
Iba-iba po yung
iba-iba. But usually Tuesday, Wednesday, right?
Wednesday or Thursday.
And they can follow yung ating Facebook page,
Yes, Canon eBags Prime Trading.
Canon eBag
Prime Trading.
Prime Trading. And thank you, ate. What's your name?
You're welcome. I'm Bang po.
Bang, ha. Thank you, Bang. So, yan.
Welcome po.
Oh, so, check out nyo Canon E Prime Trading. So, yan. So, I think, paalam lang ako. Tapos, batsi na tayo. Bettina, thank you, I'll go ahead. Yan. Thank you, guys. Yan. Bye-bye. So, again, Canon eBag Prime Trading. Check it out sa kanilang website. Only, what the? Ganda.